First, you have to measure the weight of the pot, and then you fill it with your specific soil to 4 centimeters below the rim of the pot, so that you have an idea of what is the weight of this. And then you prepare as many bags of soil as you need for your pots. And when you're ready to fill the pots, you start by filling soil into the empty pots to a level 6 centimeters or 60 millimeters. Doesn't have to be that accurate, so let's just say 6 centimeters above the bottom. So I'll just take the soil and then I'll compact it a little bit and measure to see. That's 5, so we need a bit more. And I will compact it again, like this. Let's see if it's 6. Almost there. One more bit, and we are good to go. Then we take the coil, then we moisten the soil, not to the level of waterlogging, but just to compact it as much as possible. So that's like this. And then we put the coil on top, and maybe I should show it like this. Make sure that these protrude into the air. And now we can actually add the rest of the soil on top of it. So this is actually a 2-person job because the soil is buoyant. So maybe one person should hold the coil in place so it doesn't float. We've had issues with that, but just add the soil on top like this. And once that's a bit saturated, it doesn't move any longer. And we can add the rest. So I'll just do it like this. And midway through, again, I'll compact it a little bit like this. Add the remaining soil. Make a last compacting attempt. And that's fine. So make sure that these fittings are well above the soil surface, ideally around the rim of the pot. And now we can simply waterlog everything. And after a day or 2, should be ready to plant. So make sure that when you add water to the rim of the pot, ideally up here when you have transferred it, that the pot never dries out. Because from now on, the obligate anaerobic archaea will start to develop in the soil and produce methane. And they'll just die if the soil dries out. So please keep it waterlogged from now on until the end of the experiment. And we can agree later on how long you want to prepare it for, but basically you can transfer the plants a few days later and the experiment has started. Thank you.